So I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, Eli, I can buy those bags of microwave popcorn. Why would I make... Eli, why would I want to pop popcorn on the stovetop when I could just buy those bags of microwave popcorn? Well, first of all, it's more fun. Second of all, I don't have a microwave. Have you seen my kitchen? Where would I put it? I'm a minimalist. I have an oven. Why do I need a microwave? When I first moved into this apartment, I was like, I don't miss a microwave except popcorn. And my friend Stephanie was like, you can just make that on the stovetop. But say you have a microwave, why is it better? First of all, you're not going to use a bunch of trash. Like I always try to get my food as little processed as possible. Also, it's better for all the workers involved. Have you ever heard of popcorn lung? Well, you should read about it before you buy that microwave popcorn. Yeah, so let's have some fun. First you take 2 kernels and you want to test it to find what the right temperature is for your setup. And some oil. And put it like on a medium temperature. I already know that the middle is what's best, but let's pretend I don't. Okay, so that's good. Now I can fill it up. And you don't want to have more than a monolayer, a single layer of kernels on the bottom, and that will be plenty. Then you do vegetable oil. Ideally bulk bottle refilled at a place that does that, like a food co-op. And make sure they all have oil. And then put it on that setting that seems good, probably in the middle or kind of low. You gotta cover it. You don't want to leave. It's gonna happen really fast. You might get impatient like me and be like, oh, I can wander off, but then you'll burn it. Look, it's already going. You can move it around to keep the heat even. Then right away you want to turn it off when it slows down and dump it so that it doesn't burn. And then you put on what you like: salt, pepper, garlic powder, and nutritional yeast are my favorites. Then I like to do this weird thing that an ex taught me. Gina. That's eat it with a spoon. Then you get something to hold your book open while you read, like some clothes clips work well. Anything will do. Then I like to keep a cup nearby in case there were bits that weren't popped all the way. Now I can relax with my book and my popcorn. Once you finish your popcorn, you might have a lot of stuff left over. Nutritional yeast is really expensive, so I pick out the pieces. I already did that here, of popcorn that might be left over, and I save the rest of the nutritional yeast, and then I use this in more popcorn or seasoning other foods.